Alright, let's drop a more detailed rap track about recent news events. Here we go.